In this lesson, we will model 3/4 divided by 1/2, as well as look at the traditional algorithm for fraction division. 3/4 divided by 1/2 is asking us how many copies of 1/2 are in 3/4. To determine how many copies of 1/2 are in 3/4, we begin with a model for 3/4, where if the entire rectangle represents one whole, and we cut it into 4 equally sized parts and then shade 3 of them, we have the model for 3/4. And now to determine how many copies of 1/2 are in 3/4, we will overlay another whole unit cut into 2 equally sized parts, where each of the parts equals 1/2. And now we can determine how many copies of 1/2 are in 3/4. On the left, notice we have one copy of 1/2, and then on the right, the shaded region here is half a copy of 1/2. Again, this amount is half of 1/2, which means we have 1.5 copies of 1/2 in 3/4, which indicates 3/4 divided by 1/2 is equal to 1.5, or as an improper fraction, 3/2. Recall to find the 3 in the numerator for the improper fraction, we multiply the denominator times the whole number plus the numerator. And now if we compare this to the traditional algorithm, recall that dividing by 1/2 is equivalent to multiplying by the reciprocal, and the reciprocal of 1/2 is 2 divided by 1. This indicates 3/4 divided by 1/2 is equal to 3/4 times 2 divided by 1. To multiply fractions, we can either simplify before or after multiplying. In general, to multiply, we multiply the numerators and denominators, which gives us 6/4, which if we divide both 6 and 4 by 2, we get the simplified improper fraction of 3/2, which equals 1.5. I hope you found this helpful.